Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. Students, in this video we are going to see most repeated questions. So there are particular topics from each chapter, so from which questions will be repeated every year. So practice these topics well so that you become confident in your examination. So let us see. In each chapter, very important topic. Make a note of this topic. So first chapter is atomic structure. So in atomic structure, Bohr's theory is very important, Bohr's model. So from this Bohr's model, at least one question is appearing every year. And then quantum number. So from quantum number also, at least one question is appearing. So from atomic structure, two questions will appear. Second is equilibrium chapter. So from equilibrium, usually numericals will be asked on Kc and Kp. So you can see in previous year question paper, repeatedly question will be asked on Kc or Kp. Le Chatelier's principle, salt analysis, buffer solution, and then calculation of pH, pOH. This is very important. So numericals you have to go through well. And then chemical kinetics. From chemical kinetics, questions will appear on zero order reaction, first order reaction, and every year one question will be there on activation energy. Even in 2024 question paper, if you see, question will be there on activation energy, and then Arrhenius equation, and graphs are very important. So students, if you see all the question on the graph, you can see from this chapter, chemical kinetics. So from NCERT textbook, all the graphs you have to make a note of it. So graphs can be asked in the NEET examination. Next is electrochemistry. From electrochemistry, you should learn about electrode potential, that is oxidizing agent. So you should know which is having more oxidizing power, reducing power, and then delta G naught value you should know to calculate, and then galvanic cell, and from Nernst equation question can come. And then chemical bonding, very important. So from chemical bonding, so you can get from molecular orbital theory, and then geometry of a molecule can be asked, and then question on sigma and pi bond calculation can be asked, and then hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding question can come, and then bond parameters, that is bond length can be asked or bond order can be asked. So go through that. And also dipole moment is very important. So students, you can go through the playlist. I have made useful videos, so tricks on this topics, so that you can learn in a short period of time. And then coming to GOC. So resonance is very important, and then stability, that is stability of carbocation and free radicals can be asked, and then acidic strength and basic strength. So students, about this also I have made a video, that is I have made top 10 tricks. So you can go through that video and learn the acidic strength and basic strength very easily. And then coming to haloalkanes and haloarenes. So preparation of haloalkanes you have to learn, at least one question will come, and then SN1 and SN2 mechanism you have to learn. So from this what can be asked is, they can ask which is good nucleophile or which is weak nucleophile, and then good leaving group, and then solvent for SN1 and SN2 reaction, and then rate of the reaction can be asked. And also elimination reaction, one question can come. And coming to aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, mainly focus on chemical properties. So question can come on the chemical properties. And amines. Coming to amines, again chemical properties are very important, and diazonium salt. So one question can come from diazonium salt. So focus on this. And then next is coordination compounds. So coordination compound, you should learn how to calculate the coordination number, and crystal field theory is very important. So students, go through my channel regarding the coordination compounds. So again I have taught some tricks on this coordination number and also crystal field theory. And then Finally, learn all the name reactions from the NCERT textbook, which is very, very important. And then oxidizing agents and reducing agents. So learn this many topics. At least 25 questions will come from these topics. So 100 marks, 100 plus marks you will get from this topics. So go through this topics very well, and then go to your examination and confirm your MBBS seat this year. All the very best, students.